Hey friends, if you wish to stop background processes on Windows, then please watch this video. But do it very carefully because a few of these are very crucial. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now scroll down to the background processes section and you will be able to delete a lot of them. All you need to do is, let's say you want to disable ShareX, right click on it and select End Task. So till you restart your computer, this task will have ended. And now, if you do not want these tasks to re-enable themselves when you reboot the system, then go to the Startups tab, set this by enabled, right click on the on the task which you wish to disable, select disable, and now when you restart your computer, this will not launch as a background process at all. And if that doesn't work and you want to disable, let's say, all background tasks which are unnecessary other than the Microsoft ones, then try clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and select system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.